We are live, chat. As we pull up Attic Radar here, we can obviously see that we have a severe threat today. Do keep in mind that a long live stream will not be possible today since I have to work. Certainly a live stream. Won't be long, but it'll be one. I'll tell you that guys. So yep, we are live. Yesterday we hit 100 subscribers, which was pretty neat. Today we're just doing a little bit of an update, answering somebody's questions. What's up, Patrick? Glad to see you in here. So as we pull up, let's see. The categorical risk, we have a marginal threat for severe weather, pretty decent size, going from Nashville, well, parts of suburbs of Nashville, all the way down towards Dickinson, Paris, Dyersburg, Jackson, Bartlett, Collierville, Corinth, South Haven, Jonesboro, maybe a little bit of Jonesboro on the south side of Jonesboro, Manila, Truman, Harrisburg. Hey, what's up, B-Dog? Wynn, Forest City, Marina, Clarksdale, Little Rock, Pine Bluff, Hot Springs, Camden, Texarkana, Paris, Mount Pleasant, and Russellville and Newport. Those are all the cities in the marginal risk. And as we can see, I don't know if the storms have fired yet, but certainly some blips we could see toward the Garland, Texas, and Plano area. But obviously the most concerning risk is up here. We've got some cells towards Newport, moving out of the marginal, going towards Jonesboro, so you guys might get some rain out of this. And hold on 1 second, chat. Wait a minute. I think I'm good. Hold on, chat. I'll be right back. Sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, we're back. Sorry, chat. But yeah, we are back. And yeah, so showers are heading for Jonesboro in the Boot Hill of Missouri area. We also got the Fort Smith radar we could use, so we are really not in a radar hole, maybe with an exception of down here with our storms, but really not really a radar hole to deal with at all today. So that is certainly some good news to hear. Also, just want to check around and see if there's any storms that are ongoing. Okay, so we're a little bit too early, but we're just going to go give a little bit of an update here as we are here. So thank you everybody for tuning in. There is a marginal risk for severe weather. Yeah, there is. And Patrick just said, you heard it from him. There is a there is a pretty decent marginal for severe weather, and it's mainly for Tennessee, actually. I don't think any part of Tennessee's, like, it looks like just Tennessee's in the risk. So if you live in Knoxville, Clinton, Oak Ridge, Lenoir City, Harriman, McMinnville, Tahoma, Cookeville, whatever you pronounce it. Somebody pronounced that right for me. Nashville, Dickinson, Bellevue, Franklin, Murfreesboro, Jackson, and maybe parts of the Tennessee or Memphis suburbs there, as well as southern Clarksville area. So certainly a threat for tomorrow as well, as this same system is going to be moving eastward. And I do expect a marginal risk somewhere in this particular region for parts of the coastal Carolinas, as we have some instability to work with, also some wind shear, so we'll see what happens there. We also have a okay, let's see. We do have a general thunderstorm risk as usual down towards Florida. I did see some storms were ongoing down here, so okay, we're back. So I will pin that message. There you go. It's pinned. Got 101 subscribers. Really appreciate it. And if I do pull that up on stream, give me 1 second. Let me get the subscriber count up for y'all. If I can. Give me 1 second. Trying to pull up my subscriber count. My live subscriber count is... Where'd it go? Am I tripping? I don't think I am though. But yeah, let me see something. Hold on, I think this is the right spot. Test. Alright, I'm good. Alright, got it. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna share take this tab, put that there. Okay, we can't do that. I'm trying to figure out how to do this. Okay, I guess we'll just share this tab. Hold up. I screwed up something. Share this tab. Alright, good. But yeah. Here we are. Like I said, we got a marginal risk for parts of Tennessee, Mississippi, and Oklahoma and parts of Texas. So something to keep an eye on there. Just giving a little bit of an update here, if you're answering anybody's questions. So won't be a very long stream like last night's, but it's certainly a stream to, care for at least. But yeah, we've got these showers. This is not the main threat. That's moving out of the marginal. These little blip down here, we're probably watching. See if they're gonna do anything. But I'm a little too early for a live stream. But we're gonna go for an update here. And yeah, we'll see where we go from there. But yeah, there is a tornado threat also with this. That goes for Pine Bluff, Hot Springs Village, Little Rock, Clarksdale, South Haven, Collierville, Memphis, Barlett, Jackson, Blitheville, Dyersburg, Paris, and yeah, that's it for today's tornado threat. That is for today's. And then as we go towards the wind threat, we're watching. That looks to be the main threat, but a low-end all hazards threat is on the table. This goes for Paris, Mount Pleasant, Texarkana, Hot Springs Village, Springs, Hope, Camden, Pine Bluff, Clarksdale, Memphis, South Haven, Collierville, Corinth, Blitheville, Dyersburg, Jackson, Paris, Dickinson, and maybe, I think they updated this, did they? I don't know if they had Clarksville in this, but yeah, certainly something that probably updated. I don't know if, I think they updated this. Hold on, chat. I think they updated this. Hold on, they did not have Clarksville in the marginal, or I think that's tomorrow's threat, but yeah. Anyways, Clarksville is just barely inside that. But I think that's for tomorrow, but let me double check. Yeah, it's for tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, and tomorrow we do have another risk for severe weather. Tornadoes are also on the table. A low end tornado threat goes for parts of Bartlett, Covington, Jackson, Dickinson, Bellevue, Franklin, Murfreesboro, Nashville. So, do you think they should add a slight risk? On which day? Which day do you think they should add a slight risk? Maybe today? I think it's a little too late for that. If they were to do it, they would probably done it here. Right there. Day 1, yeah. I do want to take a look at mesoanalysis and see what the environment is like out here. So again, we're just doing a update here. If anybody's just tuning in, again, there is some threat for severe weather today. Let's see, what is, okay, dew points, wow. I think those are broken, but let me share this tab. Get you guys to see this. So what you're seeing right here is broken. I don't know what that is right there, but generally you could see the moisture return right there. See it with the wind barbs. Winds coming from the southeast, flowing to northeast. You have to go. All right, see you, Patrick. And then thermodynamics. A lot of the instability is down here in Texas, which is, I think this is a conditional risk for severe weather, if I'm not mistaken, because the instability doesn't really go that far north, but the wind shear is a little bit there. Let's see. Yeah, in southern Arkansas, that's the best environment for things to pop off right now. So, a little bit of wind shear with that. SRH, certainly there. A little bit. And then as we take a look at, let's see, the lapse rates. Yeah, the strongest of lapse rates are down here in parts of Texas and Louisiana. And that's the mid levels, the low levels, or yeah, that was that. The one that you guys just saw were the mid levels. This one is the low levels. They're pretty good in parts of northeast Tennessee, or excuse me, northeast Louisiana going into northwest Tennessee, and a lot of Arkansas as well. So generally the best environment is down here right now, at least. That was a bad circle. But yeah, we do have some little showers. We even got a thunderstorm, maybe, with this one, north of Houston. So certainly things are starting to pop off. Also, we got some showers in Louisiana. So, but yeah, as we were talking about, day 2, we've got a wind threat going for parts of Bartlett, Covington, Brownsville, Jackson, Dickinson, Bellevue, Nashville, Franklin, Murfreesboro, Tahoma, McMinnville, Harriman, Oak Ridge, Clinton, Knoxville, and Lenore City. You guys are all have a threat tomorrow for some severe weather. And we also, I don't think we have anything for day 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. Yeah, nothing for day 3. We do have general thunderstorm risk, but that's about it for parts of Florida. So nothing really going on right now, but we were just giving an update. So if y'all got questions, put them down in chat. Yeah. I do want to look at the models, so bear with me. So let's go here. Anything in Hawaii or Alaska? Let's see. Hold up. On the radar, I don't think there is, but let's see. Radar is a little bugging, but this right here, I don't know what this is. This might be rain, but that's in southern Alaska. But down here, there isn't anything really. Not a lot in Alaska, maybe some snow. And then we go into Hawaii. Let's see here. Can y'all see anything? Hold up. It might. Okay, good. And nothing really in Hawaii. Yeah, nothing in Hawaii or Alaska. Okay, I was just reading some, but let's take a look at the models for this threat. So hold up, my screencasting. Yes, we're good. So we pull things out. The main threat is really getting it started around. Actually, this will be maybe a nighttime threat. So things will probably kick off around. Let's see, what time is this? This is, wow, this is like early morning. So this is like overnight stuff. Take a look at the instability. The instability is very slim, but there is some instances of uncapped areas. 0 to 3 kilometer cape is really good also, especially parts of up here for northwestern Tennessee, or southwestern Tennessee and northwestern Mississippi. So it's super cell composite. Let's see. Really good also, especially for parts of southern Arkansas. Let's see. And parts of parts of the Red River right there. So things are just getting started with environment wise. SRH, pretty good as well. Not over the top, but certainly some spin there. So Yep. If we take a look at the NAM, well, let's not take a look at the NAM. Yeah, I only wanted to really show you the GF, or excuse me, the HRRR. That was the one.
Sam, Sissy's watching.
Now we're back. Okay. So if we take a look at radar, there's nothing really going right now, convection wise, but let's go back down towards here. So again, yeah, we got this storm of Houston. Let's see if these blips are doing anything. Not really. A blip is basically a shower or a updraft trying to get going on radar. So that's what basically a blip is, if anybody was wondering. So let's take a look back in Florida. So some storms ongoing in parts of the Florida area. Let's see if we have any rotating water spouts out here. There is a spin out here to maybe have a water spout. Nope, not really. So that is also got some storms Central Florida as well. Not a lot going on right now as far as convection. Really, things have not popped off yet, but that might change later today. Do want to take a look, see how much shear. So a little decent shear environment out here, 25 knots. Let's see. Are there any major storm developments somewhere else in the world? We might actually check that, because the radar website that I'm using is actually, well, hold on, maybe. There's some radars across the world, but not really all over. I mean, they're like scattered a little bit, but yeah, oh yeah, we do have some thunderstorms, but they aren't really major in any way. But yeah, there's those. Also, I also got a radar up here in South Korea. We got 2 radars actually. We've got some rain. We've also got just some rain there as well. I don't see anything. Let's check in Puerto Rico, because there is a radar down there. Yeah, just some rain actually. Just some rain. So, not really a radar anywhere else. But if we, let's see, take a look at that net. Yeah, nothing at all hurricane-wise or anything tropical in parts of the world. Or actually, all of the world, actually. Nothing. So, turn that off. Turn that off. Turn that off. Okay, let's go back to chat. Alright, we're good. But yeah. Do want to take a look at the excessive rainfall outlook. Let's see. Give me 1 second, chat. So we do have a little bit of a threat down in Florida for some marginal flooding from these thunderstorms. So not really a big threat, but certainly something there to watch for. If we go into day 2, we do have 2 marginals, one for parts of Tennessee and Kentucky and another one for parts of Florida. This is for excessive rainfall. And then we go into day 3, nothing really there, so not a lot of really a lot of major things to watch, but there is a little mesoscale convective systems we do have to watch for. So if we do take a look at the models, the actual global models, there is something. Let's see if there's actually something, because the 18Z GFS is rendering in. Like I said, has some snow for parts of the Northeast, and another little clipper from the GFS for parts of the Midwest to Northeast. So maybe some snow for parts of the Northeast. Okay. Let's take a look at the 12Z. 12Z GFS. See if it has anything really. Yeah, generally the same thing. What the heck? That is crazy. Yeah, don't mind me, guys. I'm just looking at the GFS Fantasyland, because the farther you out from the models, the less inaccurate it gets. Just so it shows you Winter Storm literally on New Year's Day. Looks like, yep, New Year's Eve into New Year's Day. So that's weird, but okay. Take a look at the European. Give it 1 second to render in a bit. So, yeah. Generally what the GFS has. So, let's see. So yeah, let's take a look back at radar. I'm gonna share this tab. Hold up. Okay, here we are back with the radar again. See if there's any more blips. The thread really ain't supposed to start, but there is some blips or some updrafts trying to get going. So we'll be here for a little bit. But just watch these little storms here in Texas for a smidge. Okay. So I'll give it a little bit. So any last questions? All right. So what we're gonna do here, might cut things off here. So I want to thank you guys for tuning into this one. Again, this was just a briefing. Probably be here tomorrow since we have another threat for severe weather. And this time we'll probably be here for a little bit longer tomorrow. But yeah, subscribe to the channel and like the live stream. And I thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you all on the next one. See ya.